revealing a trading system that set the charts ablaze, delivering jaw-dropping results for the Euro-US dollar pair on the 1-hour timeframe. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing profit surge of a whopping 286% achieved over a 2-year backtesting period. And hold on to your seats as we reveal a remarkably low drawdown of just 12.26%. Talk about impressive. But that's not all. Get ready for some serious numbers crunching because this system has executed a grand total of 169 trades. And guess what? It's not just about the profits, it's about how it's done. With a sky-high profit factor of 2.09. This system practically turns losses into mere blips on the radar. Hold on to your hats, because this trading system's risk-to-reward ratio is so deliciously enticing that even a 50% win rate can send your profits soaring into the stratosphere. But that's not where the excitement ends. Let's dive into the streaks that will have you on the edge of your seats. We're talking 9 times of 3 consecutive wins. Not 1, but 2 instances of 4 consecutive wins, a double dose of 5 consecutive wins, and a thrilling climax with a peak of 6 consecutive wins in one heart-stopping moment. And wait for it, the most consecutive losses, just 6 times, with losses totaling a fraction of the monumental wins. It's like this system has a sixth sense for turning the tide in its favor. Hold on to your trading hats, because I'm about to unveil a strategy that's not just game-changing, it's the game-changer you've been waiting for. Get ready to supercharge your trading journey in ways you never thought possible. Stay tuned for the exhilarating reveal in this video. Welcome to my channel, where top-tier trading strategies take the spotlight. I'm excited to unveil a high-performing trading approach designed for major currency pairs and the dynamic gold market. Each week, I embark on meticulous analysis and rigorous backtesting using Expert Advisor Studio, MT4 or MT5, ensuring we present you with strategies that stand the test of time. Brace yourself for the unveiling of the best-performing trading strategy of the week. Why spend days testing thousands of strategies when you can access proven success right here? For my loyal viewers and subscribers, this is a time-saving gem. This strategy is a masterclass in sophistication, employing not 1, not 2, but 4 powerful indicators that work in tandem to create trading magic. Meet the stars of the show, the stochastic oscillator and the MACD. The stochastic oscillator takes center stage with its impeccable parameters, %K period of 42, %D period of 23, and slowing set at a tantalizing 27. On the other side of the ring, we have the MACD, flaunting its own set of numbers, fast EM at 292, slow EM at 331, and MACD SMA 26. Now, let's set the scene for the entry. Picture this, the stochastic oscillator line takes a decisive leap, gracefully crossing the signal line with an air of confidence. But that's not all. The MACD line also steps into the spotlight, acting as the ultimate trend filter. When the MACD line stands tall above the signal line, it's like a beacon signaling an uptrend, a green light for traders. But there's more to the story. When the stochastic oscillator line elegantly crosses the signal line downward, it's a signal of retracement, a brief pause in the performance before the next act unfolds. And that's where the magic of this strategy truly shines. Let's talk risk management. Every magician needs their safety net. And in this strategy, it's a carefully positioned stop loss set at 51 pips. And just when you thought it couldn't get more intriguing, enter the trailing stop loss, ready to adjust itself as the trade progresses, securing those hard-earned gains. But what's a performance without a triumphant finale? The take profit stands tall at 164 pips, a bold proclamation of success, ensuring that the show ends on a high note. This strategy isn't just about making stunning entries. It's also equipped with a set of exit conditions that add a layer of finesse to your trading game. Imagine you've entered a long trade, riding the waves of potential profit. Now, picture this. If an opposite short signal suddenly appears or if the MACD line decides to take a downward plunge, it's time to gracefully exit the stage. It's all about preserving those gains and steering clear of potential trouble. And speaking of MACD, it's not the same MACD we met earlier. This time, it's been reconfigured with fast EM at 96, slow EM at 378, and a MACD SMA 28, bringing a fresh twist to the tale. But the plot thickens even further. Imagine a candle that starts its journey below the envelope's simple moving average, with a period of 451 and a deviation set tantalizingly at 0.48%. It's like a daredevil performer taking a leap of faith. But then, against all odds, the candle defies gravity and opens above the lower band of the envelopes. That's a signal you can't ignore, a potential change in the wind that prompts a timely exit. Just like in the long trades, we're putting the same indicators and parameters to work, creating a harmonious balance in our trading performance. Picture this, the stochastic oscillator line decides it's time to take the stage again. But this time, it's all about the upward crossover with the signal line. And guess what? The backdrop is set with a downtrend. as indicated by the MACD period 292 line, bowing respectfully below the signal line. But that's not where the story ends. As you take the plunge into short positions, rest assured that we're arming ourselves with some strategic maneuvers. The trailing stop loss takes its place once again, starting from 51 pips and ready to lock in gains as the trade evolves. And speaking of gains, our take profit target for short trades stands firm at a captivating 164 pips. It's not just about profits, it's about risk management. A short position closed with a trailing stop loss and locked in a profit of at least 2R, ensuring that we're always aiming for substantial gains in relation to risk. Now, let's talk about the early exit conditions for short trades. If the MACD period 96 line boldly rises above the signal line, it's a sign to gracefully exit the stage. And for an extra layer of caution, imagine a scenario where a bar boldly opens below the envelope's upper band after starting above it. It's like a red flag waving, prompting us to reevaluate and consider an exit. Why all this careful consideration? Because in the world of trading, it's not just about winning, it's about smartly managing losses. And when the full stop loss is in play, the strategy ensures that even in the face of adversity, losses are minimized. Had we chosen to leave this short trade open, it would eventually have hit the full stop loss, thereby transforming our potential profit into an unfortunate loss. Now that we've grasped the entry and exit conditions, it's vital to emphasize the transparency inherent in my approach. I'm dedicated to sharing comprehensive charts and the outcomes of meticulous 2-year backtesting facilitated by an expert advisor. Transitioning to the video's next phase, I'll be exclusively presenting backtest charts, a result of 6 hours of intensive backtesting, accelerated 16 times for efficiency. This will allow you to analyze the entries according to your preferences, all while enjoying the backdrop of soothing lo-fi background music. Before I set the backtest chart in motion, I'd like to extend an invitation. If you find the content intriguing and desire more, I encourage you to leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Your engagement fuels my motivation to continually produce valuable content for the betterment of my viewers and subscribers. Without further ado, let's initiate the backtest chart sequence. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I eagerly anticipate our rendezvous in the next video installment.